Hi, welcome to the channel. I will guide you how you can measure distance on Google Maps. It's very simple. Let's get started. Let's jump right into the Google Maps app. The Google Maps Measure Distance feature allows you to find the shortest distance between 2 points on the map. In order to do that, simply tap and hold on the starting point on the map until you see a red pin appears. Now you can see different options. From here you can just simply select the measure distance feature, click on that. After that you will see a white marker and a hollow black pointer. Now you need to tell this starting point and end point so that you can calculate a distance. And now I'm gonna select it. It only works in a straight line, so just click add point here in the bottom right corner to add a point. Once I click that, you'll see there's a white circle that appears on the screen, and now you can measure the distance in the straight line, and you can click again this add point button to add another point. And now let me add another point quickly. Like this, you can zoom out a bit to make it easy. Add point. Now you can add another point, and here you can add another point. And now you can see the distance on the bottom left of the screen. It's in the miles. If you suddenly clicked on any area that you didn't want, and now you want to remove it, you can simply select the undo button on the top to remove that. And now you can also select any other location that you want. Also, if you are done with it, you can simply click on the three dots and select clear option to clear the selections. I hope that you found this video useful. If it helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.